Okay, so this is an update to another video which I will place in the cards up here, which was the 8 ways to upload, but there are 3 more ways to upload, and so I just wanted to update this video and let everyone know. And they have been around for a while. I omitted them, so that was a mistake on my part, so sorry about that. And there is a bonus 12th way. So let us have a look at, just remember, always remember, your reMarkable deals with PDF files and PNG files. That's besides your EPUB books. But in terms of files you use, you've got the PDF files and the PNGs. So let's look at PDFs. I'm just going to quickly skim over this. You can get the full download about the first 8 ways in the other video. Again, I'll put the card up here. All right, number 1, I'm going to try to work out how to put the card up there. Full disclosure, I haven't done it before, so let's hope it works. Number 1, using the desktop app. Number 2, using the mobile app. Again, I'm not going into detail because it's in the other video. Number 3, the USB cable is really important, and it is useful in dealing with PNG files and just connecting into this device. So the USB cable is important. The 4th way is your reMarkable account. This again is fundamentally vital that you create your reMarkable account, my.remarkable.com. You, like every other online space, you have to create a user profile, and that is where your files are synced. So, but you can actually add files that way. All right, so add files in the web browser. Again, in the first video, I go into great detail about it. And that's really handy. I've used that a few times when I've had a few glitches going on here. Currently, the only browser that works with the reMarkable is the Google Chrome web browser. I'm sure in a year's time, there's maybe a different story. But currently in 2023, we're in the middle of 2023, that's the situation. You do need your account again, my.remarkable.com. And there are 2 beautiful plugins, if you want to call it that way. Read on reMarkable. So quick and easy to just flick something to your upload here. And the Microsoft add-in. So good. All right. This brings me to the extra 3 ways. And then we'll do the bonus one in a second. And it's the integrations. All right, so I'm going to take a minute just to explain these to you now. There are 3 integrations that reMarkable provides, and it gives incredible connectivity to all of your files in Google Drive, all of your files in OneDrive, and all of your files in Dropbox. So I'm going to exit out of this document, and I'm going to go to the menu, and I'm going to show you the integration. So for me, I have not connected my Dropbox to this. I have connected my Google Drive and my OneDrive. And when I go and tap Google Drive, it brings me into my tree of folders. And then as I go down, it would also show you, the folders within the folders. This is the deal with this, just to let you know. This integration is purely for the purpose of whatever document you want to access in here, you grab it and it will bring a PDF into your reMarkable. That's it. That is it. There is no other functionality that goes on here. So wanting it to be so isn't gonna help. All right. So there are different file types in here, and the only ones that it lets you copy, that it'll create a copy of, is a PDF. So when you press and hold to open the selected documents, copy them to my file. So that's it. All you can do is take a copy of that. And if I press copy, just for the sake of it, now I go to my files, which is we're back in your desktop. You can see it hasn't done it yet, but it will give it a second. Sorry. Am I in? Yeah, no, this is my home directory. There it is. Just took a second. It's now put a copy of that planner in here. And that is the accessibility and connectivity you have in integrations. Okay, so you have options for all 3 of those. So that's 8, 9, and 10. You need your reMarkable account and you need to set it up in there. There's a one-time code that you have to do. So that's all that. That's PDFs. So the summary for the PDFs are desktop, mobile, USB, reMarkable account, adding files, that's a whole section in your reMarkable account, the Read on reMarkable Google Chrome browser add-on, and the Microsoft Office add-in. And then the 3 integrations, which are Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. You can get a document onto this device any of these 10 ways. And then if you've got a PNG file, you can also, in conjunction with your USB cable, either do programming, that's the 11th way, or the bonus 12th way is a third-party app. And I've got some links below for that. And I'm an affiliate for one of them and not for the other, but one's Macintosh and one's Windows. So, and you do need the USB cable for that. So that is the extra 3 ways, okay? For the PDF was, the extra 3 ways was in the PDF, but in the PNG files, this is the same as in the other video. So I hope that's been helpful for you. Please love some love on the channel. That'd be great. Thanks so much.